back to image manipulation. What is image manipulation? It is the process by which the entire appearance of the image is manipulated by the addition of secondary elements and by enhancing the existing elements in the image. This means that we can add more images into the original one and perfect the one that is already there. Now, as you know, image manipulation is completely different from image editing, in which we do brightness, contrast, exposure, and saturation as per our need. Some examples of image manipulation are addition of birds into the sky, altering the entire background, carrying out alteration in the faces and other properties within the image. Now, digital image manipulation is an entirely new method in professional editing services, yet it comes with countless possibilities. The advancement in imaging software has led to the growth of image manipulation and its uses in different fields. Now, this whole thing means that image manipulation is growing and we are using it more and more in our daily life. Now we are going to move on to the coding part. So here we are going to merge two images. We are going to be importing the library from Google Colab Patches, import CV2 IMShow. Then we are going to import from CV2, which is the library which we are going to use. Now we have SIMG, which stands for small image, and CV2 mRead content. We have large IMG, which means large image, and X offset and Y offset simply means where you are going to keep the image. The next line, LIMG, Y offset, and then we have this IMG shape, X offset, then we also have X offset plus SIMG shape is equal to SIMG. This whole line just means where you're going to place it, the exact location. And after that, you are going to print the final result. As you can see, there is one big image and a small image. We merged it together to create this scenery. Now, how do we add text in an image? We use the image text function. Now, cv2.putText LIMG hi Python learners. You can put anything, literally whatever you want to write, and then the positions. Now, cv2.Ferns Hershey Complex Small is one of the many fonts in Python. Now, the next part is 255, 255, 255, the color. And we all know what color that is, white. Now we're going to show the final result. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.